if your days feel out of control, if your to-do list keeps growing but nothing actually gets finished, you're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. The real problem is this. Humans are terrible at planning dynamic days. Meetings run late, energy crashes, unexpected tasks appear. Today, I'll show you one AI tool that automatically plans your entire day, adjusts in real time, and protects your focus without you constantly thinking about what to do next. Most productivity systems fail for one simple reason. They assume your day will go exactly as planned. You plan your morning. Reality destroys it by noon. A meeting runs long. An email demands attention. Your energy drops. Traditional planners don't adapt. That's not a motivation problem. That's a system design problem. This is Motion AI, and it doesn't ask you to plan harder. Instead, it plans for you. You tell it what matters. Motion handles when. It automatically schedules tasks, reschedules when things change, and protects your focus blocks, all in the background. Here's how it works step by step. First, you connect your calendar. Google, Outlook, doesn't matter. Second, you add tasks, work tasks, personal tasks, deadlines. Third, you set priorities and deadlines. Now here's the magic part. Motion automatically builds your entire day. And if something changes, a meeting moves, a task takes longer, Motion instantly rebuilds your schedule. People don't search for AI productivity tools. They search because they feel overwhelmed, because decision fatigue is exhausting, because unfinished tasks create guilt. Motion removes the mental weight of choosing what to do next. When decisions disappear, focus appears. If you're a freelancer, Motion protects deep work. If you're a student, it prevents last-minute panic. If you work 9 to 5, it stops burnout by respecting your energy. This isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters at the right time. Let's be honest, Motion won't make you rich. It won't magically fix discipline, but it will remove chaos. And chaos, not laziness, is what kills productivity. One AI tool, one real problem solved. If you want more videos where AI fixes real daily problems, not hype, subscribe and comment below. What problem do you want AI to solve next?